Hi, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and I have been exploring all the holiday Christmas cookbooks that I could find at my local library this week, getting in the spirit for Christmas cooking and baking. And of course, we all know who this is, Nigella Lawson, the famous British chef and baker. She has wonderful cookbooks out, she has videos, she's awesome. But I actually don't own this book because no one has ever gifted it to me. Hello, I love cookbooks. I'm with Cookbook Divas. So I wanted to show you this cookbook because when I buy cookbooks on Amazon or Barnes & Noble and online and I can't see them and go through them, I don't know if I want to buy them because I need a lot of colorful pictures or I'm not going to buy it or waste shelf space with it. And they give you a few previews in the listing, but I want to see a lot more. I'm not sure what year this book is from. Ooh, we're off to a good start. Well, the fact that the library stamped at 2010 means it's not brand new. That's fine. Hyperion Publishers, New York. Okay. So let's check out the contents. The more the merrier. Seasonal support. Come on over. The main event, Joy to the World. All wrapped up. A Christmas brunch for 6 to 8. A bevy of hot drinks, and Dr. Lawson prescribes. Ooh, is that drinks too? I don't know. Okay. It's, of course, Nigella is one of the best cookbook authors in the world, so it's going to be a high-quality cookbook. She's starting right off with the drinks at the beginning, not sure why. Get to the important stuff first. I like this. Ooh, I love the little scene. They could just have a photograph of the drink, but they made it look all fancy with nuts and little signs. It's very festive. Oh, I like it. This is a Yule Mule and a Cornish champagne cocktail. Ooh. And I bet I have the ingredients for these in my downstairs bar because I have almost every type of liquor on the planet. Seasonal breeze, seasonal medley of mocktails. That's nice because I have friends that don't drink and they still want something festive. Uh-oh, we're running into some drinks that don't have any pictures like the Pussyfoot, Mistletoe, Xmas Zinger, Blissful Blueberry. I want pictures of them. Okay, canapes and other appetizers. Great big wonderful photo. For a couple different, a Chile cheese crostini. Great big wonderful photo over here of the smoked salmon soda breads. Okay. But I feel like I'm going to turn the page and there's not going to be any pictures for a while. Yeah, little tiny ones. Okay. I kind of want a full page spread for every recipe. Yeah, wasabi crab cakes. Tiny little picture, can barely see them. Yeah, okay. I can stop whining about the pictures though, but she's showing step-by-step how to make the pumpkin and goat cheese lasagna. I appreciate that. I need the step-by-step photos. I'm a very not confident cook, but I'm a frequent cook. I'm skipping ahead. Ultimate Christmas pudding. I'd like to see what she prescribes. The book is very festive with the red borders. Nice. Only part of the book has the red border. I'm not sure why that is. Turkey and glass noodle salad. That's very interesting. For alternatives to Christmas turkey. Is one of them tofu for me because I'm vegetarian? Thoughts for goose leftovers. So this is a really useful, it's not just a cookbook. Oh, that's a scary picture. I'm going to move past the meat. Sorry, I'm vegetarian. If you need meat, this is a great cookbook. Okay. Christmas cake, icing, and toppings. Ooh, beautiful, gorgeously golden fruitcake. I'm not going to make fruitcake for anyone that has a bad reputation. Lots of delicious looking desserts. Still want to know what she prescribes. Shall we skip ahead and find out a little bit? No, first I want to show you the cute Christmas cookie festive page. Aw. This would be a great gift book. Christmas cornflake wreath. That's cute. That would be cute for kids. Aw. Christmas morning muffins. I'll probably just honestly open a box of Krusties, to be honest. Okay. All wrapped up. Edible presents and party preserves. Good idea. Very pretty. Oops, not a lot of pictures. Okay. Pictures, olives, okay. Normal marinated feta, okay, but you can buy that at Trader Joe's. I probably wouldn't gift it. Okay. Christmas chutney, nice. What is she prescribing? Christmas pudini bonbon, a Christmas brunch, okay. Nice. Cranberry almond and honey granola, okay. Bevy of hot drinks. It's weird that, because the drinks in the beginning were the cold drinks, okay. Dr. Lawson prescribes. It's when you're sick with the winter colds. Oh, okay. Cuban cure black bean soup. Panacea for seasonal and self-inflicted ills. Okay. Oh, so that is your little cookbook look-through of Nigella Christmas, one of the top-selling Christmas baking and cooking cookbooks in the world ever in history. Hope you enjoyed your sneak preview. If you own the cookbook, please let me know in the comments below which recipes you've made out of it and what you enjoyed the most and what you found the most helpful, or not. Thanks for watching, and follow Cookbook Divas on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.